Hi everyone, welcome to this presentation. The FaaS model for serverless computing was introduced in 2014 by Amazon Web Services. FaaS promises an event-driven model in which the resource provisioning is a burden of the provider. This feature also enables autoscaling that results in a pay-per-use model. Since the introduction of the FaaS model, a growing number of cloud providers and open source platforms such as Microsoft Azure and Apache OpenWhisk are offering equivalent services. Similarly, a growing number of research is being conducted concerning different aspects of the FaaS model. One common requirement of the research on all these aspects is a dataset of serverless applications. We attempted to address this demand in our study by providing a dataset of real-world serverless applications. The first step to create this dataset is to identify serverless applications in GitHub. We chose Serverless framework for this purpose, which is the most popular tool for developing serverless applications. It has a specific configuration file named serverless.yam, which makes the search for these applications possible, and it supports all the major serverless platforms. We used GitHub API to search for all the serverless.yam files in GitHub, which led to about 44,000 unique files. We cloned the projects related to these files, and we applied several rounds of filters to remove empty, toy, and inactive projects. You can find more details on each of these steps in the paper. All these steps resulted in Wonderless, a dataset of about 2,000 real-world serverless applications. Wonderless contains a snapshot of the projects with their Git histories organized based on the providers. It also contains the URL of each repository in the dataset for further updates. Wonderless can be used as a dataset for various empirical studies on the FaaS model. The Git history helps researchers to investigate the evolution of serverless computing, and the number and variety of repositories help them to extend the previous studies and the characteristics of the serverless applications. Wonderless is publicly available for replication as well as extension. Thank you for listening. I'm happy to answer any questions.